Good afternoon, sir.
On to the class. Okay, thank you. Today, I think yesterday you didn't connect, right?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday, what we give in the sense provisionals. Uday, try to tell me what is the use of provisionals? What is the use of provisionals? Provisionals are used to copy files from local to remote or remote to remote. Is it understood or not? Provisionals are used to copy files from local to remote or remote to remote. Is it simple, right? Copying files from local to remote or remote to remote. For doing this, we're having four types of provisionals are there. One is the file provisionals. First one is the file provisionals. Second one is the remote exec, remote exec, remote exec. Third one is local exec, local exec. The fourth one is null resource. Fourth one is null resource. See, null resource is the individual concept. It can utilize maybe local exec, maybe remote exec, maybe file provisioner. Is it clear for you? Little bit. Here, provisioners are used to copy files from one location to another location. You may ask me, what is that locations? Local to remote or remote to remote. Local to remote or remote to remote. Swati, this is your local system. This is my remote system. I hope. This is your laptop. This is your EC2 instance. Generally, you are using your laptop. That is nothing but local system. That is nothing but local system. In the local system, we are creating one file. The file name is abc.txt. This is containing welcome message. Welcome message. That message where you want to place. This is about EC2. There we are having maybe web server. Within the web server, what is the directory path for web server? Maybe where www, HTML, there index.html. There you want to place your message. What is your message? Welcome. Karte, have you understood or not? In local system, with file message, you want to copy to, that is the remote system. That is the remote system. Okay, good. Here, today our main discussion is how to work with local AC. How to, how to work with, how to work with local local hyphen exec. Here exec means execution. In local, I want to execute. I want to execute. For this, for your clarification, I am giving little bit here. Generally, what you may write here, you may write provider. Everybody know. PROVADR. What is the provider name? AWS. This is the common thing. What is the thing here you need to add? Their region or region is equal to AP South. Karthik, till now clear, right? I hope this is clear. After that, if I want to use local exec, what I want to do, I may create one resource. That resource name is resource null resource. What is that? Null resource. The name I am giving PH. Yeah, yeah. The null resource name is Barcode. Generally, you may ask, What is the use of this? Do not do anything. See, do not do, this is the way we can write. Do not, do not do anything. Anything. This resource cannot do anything. This is the null resource. Null means nothing, but it can execute something. How it will execute? How it will execute? By using provisional. 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 What is the provisional name I am using? That is the local exec. Local exec. In local exec, I want to use command command. This command is equal to, I may use, this command is equal to, I may use just date command. Just what I want to use? I want to use date command. That's all. I want to use date command. I may try for this. It may work or not. There, double quotation, you may use date. You may use date. That's all. Just closing this. Now, first of all, I may do and apply like this. I may do and apply like this. What happens? We'll check it. What happens? We'll check it. Same thing I may do. Here, Windows key R. I think already I'm in CMD. CMD. There I may go for C. I may use there MD. MD PHER. PHER. Fargo is the one empty folder. There notepad main.tf. 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 There control A delete. Here, what I need to write? Anyone can tell me? Already written, right? Karthik, you try to respond. What I need to write? PROVI, provider, there AWS, there here is region, region is equal to AP, SOUT, South. This is the well-known story. Next, what I said here, RESURC, resource. What is the name of the resource? Null, RESURC, null resource. What is the name of that? Maybe any name. I am giving like that, any name, any name. After that, there what I said here, what I said here, we need to provide command. We need to provide command. For if you want to provide command, what you want to use? If someone is trying, okay, got it. Karthi, what I need to write here? There, provisional, PROVISIO, provisional. Which provisional you want to use? Local, local EXEC. In local EXEC, I want to execute a command. I want to execute a command. COMME. Command is nothing but Linux command. There I am using assume date. I want to print date. I want to print date. This is my simple example. This is my simple example. And is there any curly braces missing? I think no. Any spelling mistake? I think no. Just save it. Save it within the barcode. I mean within the barcode. Oh, did I move to barcode? No. I typed here itself, right? No problem. Terraform, Terraform, just init it. Terraform init. Here itself I written, right? Directly I am using this. Once, once that provider is downloaded, where is that? This one, right? Now, Terraform, Terraform, F4, Terraform, okay. What it is expecting. It may ask one to create, see, one to add. Which is adding? Anyone just observe and tell me. I think easy to understand. Wherever plus is there you need to check. Oh, something is creating. Terraform used the selected provider to generate the following execution plans. Resource actions are indicated with the following symbols. Plus created. It is telling, hey, plus means what? Create. What I am doing? Null resource dot any name will be created. Null resource dot any name will be created. Will be means if you give yes, it will create. Once it is created, what happens here? What happens here is seen known after. It will just I am giving yes. I am giving yes. Now observe. Now observe. It is not able to what it's saying. PROVISIO Provisional spelling is correct, right? LOCL, local EXEC output. See, the current date is 2/2/2024. Enter the new date. Date exit status. It is not able to printing date. I may give echo. Maybe that is showing something problem for me. It is telling. It is telling something problem for me. Okay. And notepad in dot here. COMMAD command. Their command name. I'm giving echo. That is the welcome message. I'm trying to give welcome. Okay. I may go in this way. I may go in this way. Just close this. Yes. Up arrow. There. Terraform. Apply. Terraform apply. What it is saying? Here is null resource. ID is changing. ID is changing. Maybe one to add, one to destroy. Okay, no problem. Yes. Now check it. Here, what is the output? Anyone tell me? What is the output here? Did I get output or not? See, and I got my output welcome. Command the echo welcome. It is executing. After execution, I got the output is welcome. I got the output is welcome. Okay, good. If I do second time Terraform apply, what happens? Resource 0 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. But my intention is what? Keep on running again and again. I want to get some output. Again and again, I want to get some output. At that time, what I need to do? At that time, what I need to do? That is important thing. There you need to add. There you need to add one extra block within the null resource timer. What is the extra block? Triggers. You know, triggers. Triggers. See, wherever is equal to is there, wherever is equal to is there, this is like a resource. This is argument. Triggers is the argument. What you want to trigger. What you want to trigger. I want to trigger something. Always update. Always UPD. Update is equal to always update is equal to time STAMP. Timestamp. I think you know timestamp is the function. It will change every second. Second to second, it will change. If second modified, it will re-execute. That means it will work. It will ask again. It will take data from us in the sense it will modify. Based on the modification, it will re-execute. We'll see quickly. Here previous scenario, 0 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. Now check it what happening. It is the Terraform apply. See, replaced. Why replaced? Why replaced? Say, forces replacement. Why forces replacement? Our function is timestamp function. Timestamp function. Just enter a value. You need to give yes. You need to give yes. Even again, if I go for again, it will one to add, one to destroy. One to add, one to destroy. See, if you want to execute, keep on multiple times, which argument is important? Please respond anyone. Which argument is important? Their argument name is triggers. Even in Jenkins also triggers is there. In Jenkins also triggers is there. Same way, triggers. This triggers argument is triggering based on the timestamp. Based on the timestamp. Timestamp means for every second, time will change based on it will exist. This is very simple example for each understanding of null resource. Resource is the resource block, is the resource type, is the resource name. There we are using local exec. I am executing commands. I am executing commands. If anybody having any doubt, please respond. Even we can print date also. I'll check it and tell because of your date is not directly supporting. I don't know why it is not supporting. Actually, echo is command in the same way. In the same way, date is also command. or else I may give calendar command. What happens to check it? Calendar command. There escape, save it, there enter, up arrow. Now it is everything is okay. Yes. Now it is not able to see a running command. Calendar exists. Oh, if it is a Linux system, 100% will print. It is not a Linux based here. This is Windows based, right? That is the problem. It is Windows based that is not able to print here the output. If it is a Linux command prompt, you may get the output. It is not recognized as an internal or external command or internal or external command. That is the problem. It's not recognized as an internal command or external command. Echo means echo here also echo will work. See, echo welcome printing, right? There echo welcome. Even actually date is also there, but here is the printing, but there it is not able to print. Not able to print. Okay, date. Or else I may check in another way. Notepad first enter it. Terraform is paid by using local exec how to print data. Check it here. Check it here. Local exec. Local exec how to print. Use a timestamp for null resource. Okay. I want to print locally exec. This is okay. Command echo code. I want to print date not using direct command. Okay. Escape. Wrong. Not bad. Get the date. The date is moving to completed.txt interpreter PowerShell command. Check it. Escape shift colon, not shift colon here. Directly close this. Save it. Terraform apply. Now 0 to okay, good. As compared your real infrastructure against your configuration, we found no differences, so no changes are needed. Okay, Terraform notepad main.tf. We need to change something. What you need to change? Where I removed here. What I removed here? Triggers. triggers. Triggers is equal to open curly brace. Where always 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 update is equal to time STA is the byte. Always update triggers trackers. Now close this, save it. We are in Windows space, so that's why this is the problem. Okay, now it is okay. Want to create it. Now BLR. We got one file. What is the file name? One text file. Check it here. Completed txt. Notepad, notepad, completed.txt. See here, 0 to February 2024. Whether I got it or not. See, observe and tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Okay. Or else you may ask me. Here itself you want to see the output. Here itself you want to see the output. Notepad main.tf. Here itself if you want to see, just to remove it, just to remove this, it possible. Get it. There, close this. Just I'm applying common sense. It may work out. Now, yes. Now, see, somewhere date is error got or date is printed. Check it here. See, here, see, date is printed or not. 0 to February 2024, the date. Whatever the only this is the Windows based commands only will work because of where we are working Terraform commands here. See, with the help of Windows, right? It's a local system. See, we are using which one? Which one? Notepad, main.tf. Everything will be executed within your local system. That is the meaning of local exec. So they got it or not? If you use remote exec, REMOTE, remote exec, where it will execute. Now observe and tell me where it will execute within the remote server. Are understanding? Within the remote server. Remote server means you need to create instance, right? Yes or no? We need to create one
Yes, sir.
instance. Without creating, it won't work. There you need to take within the null resource. There you need to type ID is equal to which ID? That remote resource ID. ABC AWS dot AWS underscore instance dot instance name my underscore EC2 underscore virtual machine dot ID. Based on this ID, it will execute in that area. We need to do those things. Already we did right how to copy those things we did. Now, I think you got the clarity regarding local exec and remote exec as well as file provision, file provisioner. Now we may enter into new topic that is the Terraform modules. Terraform modules. Today I need to finish Terraform modules. See, first I'll try to explain what is a module, what is the need of a module. Now quickly observe. This is one resource you got created. Okay, try to understand. This is the resource file. That is the .tf file, main.tf file. This file contain some code, some code. If you want to execute it, you may come to this area. What are the commands you are applying? Terraform, init, and Terraform apply generally as well. Terraform as apply. Are you agree with me? You are having one manifest file. That manifest file, if you want to execute, you want to do like this. See, my intention is not like that. See, this is there. This code I want to use here. Same code I want to use here. Simply, I want to say, I want to say, maybe our feeling is like this. This code, this total thing where I want to use here I want to use. Here also assume on main.tf is there. Here also assume on main.tf is there. In this main.tf, I want to utilize this code. Got it or not? Now, what I am trying to do is I am converting. This is generally Terraform resource file. This file I am converting like a module. I am converting like a mod. I am converting like a module. This module I want to use here. I want to use here. There, this module name. This what is the name here? Module. Maybe I make you module name. Module hyphen name. Maybe here, this is nothing but in our scenario, this is the child mod. Child mod. This child module, wherever I am using, the usage where I am using in the main mod. Main mod. First, we'll try to understand what is a module. What is a module? What is a module? Here, packing, packing, PACK, packing, above, above, Terraform, Terraform resource files means .df .df and reuse 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 anywhere reuse anywhere. See what we are doing? We are packing and reusing, unpacking and reusing. This packing and reusing is known as child 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 modules only we may reuse. In main module, whatever the module we are calling, such area is nothing but main module. Simply we can say modules are two types. Modules are, this is the entire question. Modules are how many types? How many types? One is the main module. Second one is the child module. Child modules. Generally, Terraform having predefined modules also. Third type, predefined, predefined module, predefined modules. First, I'll try to tell you. One is the, even we can say in this way answer also. Question. Maybe they may ask in different way. What are the types of modules? You may say one is the user defined. Second one is predefined. That is also right answer based on the asking perspective. User defined. Second one is the predefined. Predefined. Now tell me which is very easy. Anyone tell me which is very easy? Which is very easy? User defined user or predefined is very easy. Anyone respond? Predefined modules are very easy. Predefined modules are very easy. For your clarity, I am going to give one small example. One small example. There I am going to browser. There Terraform module. Terraform module. Simply see, it is module overview or browse modules. Just browse module. Very simple work. There you take maybe VPC. For easy understanding, we may go with VPC. Just click once. I'll tell you how to create our own page also. As a professional, your duty is simply take this, simply copy this. Just copy. Then copy. Copy is over. Where you want to get it, where you want to place it, simply are going to here. You are take new one. There I am going to notepad, simply notepad, main.tf. Main.tf. Observe here. Now control A, control B. That's a module VPC, module VPC, See, this is the module is the keyword. This name is any name. This name is any name. Even you can give ABC also. This name is ABC. ABC underscore VPC related. What is the module name just now you given? This is a user defined, but this is the predefined. Source is equal to source is equal to. This is someone developer, right? Terraform hyphen AWS modules through internet. It is going to access this way. What is the version? 5.5.1. That is the very simple. I'm using predefined. I'm using predefined. Now try to observe what happening. Right. Whenever if you use module code, you must use Terraform in it. Otherwise, it won't work. Otherwise, it won't work. You must use Terraform in it. Sometimes it may ask update also. You want to upgrade. Okay, it is automatically downloading. Simply what I may do, Terraform apply. I won't apply, but I am trying to show you what happens. Spelling mistake, AGPL. What it is trying to update, what is trying to apply, see, four options, four resources it is trying to create internally, but one is trying to destroy. One is trying to destroy. Okay, are you understanding? Which one I used here? Predefined. Which one I use? Predefined. Another way I may show you predefined. I am not giving yes. If I give yes, what happens? Four resources got created. You know how to create what happened in the real cloud. That is not our intention. Just I go for. I may do small modification. See, this is provision. This is provision instructions. Simply, this is industry providing. One more thing, work industry providing good. You need to enhance. See, additional resource you want to give, you copy this. You copy this, just going to here. Now notepad, now notepad, their main dot here. Control A, control B. Now what happens here? Observe again module name is there, module name is there. Source is equal to same thing. Not only source, but also you need to provide what is the name of the VPC. What is the name of the VPC? My VPC. What is the CADR block for that VPC? See, in previous scenario, these arguments are not there. So they are understanding. I am providing additional information. Additional information means internally having some information. Okay. Internally having or not. It may create VPC. It may take internal CADR block. What I am providing here? Externally, I am specifying which range you want it. Which block range. CADR. Subnet mask I specified 16. There. How many private subnets wants to create? 3. How many public subnets you want to create? 3. Where you want to create? EU West 1A, EU West 1, then 1B, EU, European 1C. This is somewhat enhancement, right? This is the enhancement. Simply you can do like, simply you can do like. Now see what happened. Now if I try this, more than 20 plus resources it may try to create. We may check it. Terraform once again. Terraform init. Now Terraform apply. What it may tell? It may giving instruction for you. Hey, I may create 32 resources. VPC related 32. VPC, subnets, and route tables, internet gateway, all those things internally, it will go and create it. So they are understanding what happening.
Yes,
Everything
sir.
is
Yes, sir.
predefined. Now our intention is I don't want predefined. I want my user defined. How do I call? How do I call? See, a very simple concept. How to use predefined modules? How to use by using what is the which keyword? Module. MODUL module. Their module name. Module name. Maybe ABC or module name. Simply you can say MODUL module name. This is also block. Are you agree with me or not? Within module, which one you want to specify? Main thing is what? Source. S-O-U-R-C. Source is equal to very, very important thing. Double quotation, you need to mention like this. There, there, root folder, root folder, slash subfolder, subfolder, slash maybe that module name. MO, module name you need to mention. There, if you want it, you can mention version also. VRSIO is equal to 5 point something, 5.5.1 like version. This is the base. Now, I am trying to show you how to create our own module. See, very simple way to create our own module. Now I am going to here. Now I am giving. Now please observe. I am creating MD Uday, UDM. There CD, UDM Uday. I am in Uday folder. Are you agree with me? I am in Uday folder. What I am trying to do is, first of all, I want to create one module. I want to create one module. What is the name of the module? Here MD, MODULE, module hyphen one I am creating. Observe here. MD module one. Now what I am trying to do is CD module one. Where notepad main dot here. There I am creating module related code. Module is nothing but what? Packaging of set of .tf files. Packaging of set of CRESOS resource AWS AWS underscore VPC. What is the name of the VPC? My test VPC. My test VPC. You know this here. What we want to create? There, tell me. CIDR underscore block is equal to maybe 6.7.0.0 by 16. 16. There dynamically you want to take it, you can take it. Therefore, true variable. True variable. For our easiness, I'm fixing, I'm giving static value. Now tags is equal to their name is equal to my test is. That's all. This is created. Now I am not touching anything. Close it. Close it. Now module got created or not? Module is ready because of this folder containing one main.tf file. This is the child module. Now cd dot dot one step back. Now notepad main.tf. There I want to use. Which one I want to use? Module. See, which one I want to use? MODUL module. What is the name of the module? Uday module. Uday module 1. Uday module 1. Open curly brace. Now, which one you want to use? Tell me please. Source. SOURC. Source is equal to double quotation dot. If it is local, you need to give like this. Dot dot. What is the name of that? MODULE module hyphen 1. Am I right? Uday, understood or not? This name already we provided, right? This is the folder name. MD module 1, CD module 1. Is it clear for you? Right. Here you need to take provider. Tell me, provider, AWS. Now region is equal to UK South one, where you want to create it. This one you want to specify. Now close this, save it. For your clarity, I am giving dir. Now check it here. This is the module, this is the child module. Where I am using child module? Where I am using? Within the main.tf file. Now I am trying to apply Terraform. Terraform just in it. What if anything goes wrong? It may tell something. Maybe cloud rocket is not properly ended. It may give some instructions. Simple answer. What are modules? Modules are reusable components. Modules are reusable components. Backing up the TF files is nothing but mud. Now Terraform apply. Terraform apply. What happens observe? Main module is calling child module. Now see, want to add. What is the name of that? My test VPC. My test VPC. Is it clear or not? Tell. Is it clear or not? Tell. Module is very simple concept. Very easiest concept if you follow proper way. Here main activities are two keywords. One is the module keyword. Second one is the resource keyword. Module keyword, source keyword. First one is the module. Second one is the source. I hope you got the clarity.
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? Yes. In the same way, you need to work with workspace. I am a complete today also workspace. Now I am not giving yes. I am not giving yes. Suppose if I give yes, what happens? Now see, it may give clarification. Where it is creating also it may tell. Those things we'll see. Now Terraform workspace. Workspace. WORK workspace. Now see, if I give Terraform workspace, it may provide some help. New is there, list is there, show is there, select is there, and delete Terraform workspaces. First, you may ask what is the workspace. Even you may work with Git. Git is also having, even we have seen, right? Git. I'm trying to go here. Git is logically divided into three parts. Anyone tell me? Local. In Git local, if we take internally having three divisions. What is that? Anyone tell me? In Git, long back you studied Git. I'm trying to ask you. That's why I may have a doubt also. Hmm. Actually, first it will divide into two blocks. Anyone tell me? Working area, staging area, and a local repo. Got it or not? But actually, according to Git, what is that? Tracking, tracked. TRACK. Tracked. This is untracked. This is untracked. Untracked. This is the track. This is the track. This is the original terminology. Untracked means only working area. Untracked means only working area. Tracked means actually this is the two parts. Tracked means these are the two parts. So they are understanding or not? Untracked working area. Working area. Working area means just like this is also one folder. This is also one area. Working. Whenever you know in Git touch user abc.txt where it is available in untracked that is nothing but working area. Now you know if I use git add dot where it will move, it is moving to staging. It is moved to staging or or index or index. Now whenever if you use git commit hyphen m where it is moved, it is moving to this is nothing but dot git is nothing but local repo. Anybody facing any difficulty here? Maybe Markondas or whatever provided. I use some technical words that sir. Commands same only, right? He is also user touch command. He is also user git add command. Here also using git commit command. Are you agree with me, Uday? Please observe and tell me. Is there any difficulty here or else any doubt here?
No, sir.
No. What Karthi? Same procedure is there or not? Same procedure is there or not? See, once you see here, git. I want to see working area files. What is the command? Tell me. Git status. It will display in red color. Are you agree with me? Red color. Here also, if you use git status, what is the color? Tell me. Git status. What is the color?
Green.
Green color. Green color. If I use once again here git status, what happen? Git status. What you may get. Anyone tell me? Ah,
Working tree clear.
yeah, working tree is clean. Working tree is clean. That means what? Everything up to date. Everything up to date. Okay. Why I'm explaining all these things in the sense in the Terraform also by default one workspace is there. The workspace name is default workspace. If you see, you may get the clarity. Then I am coming to here. See, Terraform workspace list. See, what is the default workspace here? See, wherever star is there, that is active, that is inactive. Don't feel inactive, that is inactive, in space active. You know the word active, inactive, this is active state. Now, you may ask me, I want to create a new one. See, the word Terraform workspace, new, we may go with the dev, you may go with the tester, you may go with the tester. You may go with the staging. You may go with the staging. You may go with production, prod. You may go with the prod. We are only prod. We are only prod. Now, if I see all the things, Terraform, workspace list. See, dev, default, dev prod, staging, test. Very first time we may work with the default or a dev. Anyone tell me? Generally, industry people work with the default one or a dev one.
Dev.
Dev. I want to move to dev. I want to move to dev. Please observe here. Some commands is there here. New, list, show, select, and delete. In this, which is the opting keyword? Which is the opting keyword? I want to move to. Here move means
Select.
I want to go to specific, right? I want to go to specific. How can I go? Terraform, workspace, select which one I want to select? Dev. Now Terraform, workspace list. Now star is available at a dev. See, you want to create a resource, that resource name you want to see like a dev. Like it. Now see very simple one. I'm going to notepad main dot here. This is already there, right? This is already there. Suppose I don't want to go this one. I don't want to go this one because of you want to see properly the including workspace name. There simply I'm going like this. I'm going like this. See, what is that? RES, yes, a resource. What is the resource name? AWS underscore VPC. That resource name is, maybe assume, test underscore VPC. Just quickly observe what happening. Only two lines of code I am writing. Two lines. They are CIDR underscore block is equal to maybe 5.5.0.0 by 16. There is no special here. Now I'm using tags is equal to tag name I want to specify. Here is the name is equal to tag name. I want to specify my own name. I want to specify my own name. How to specify double quotation? There test underscore VPC hyphen our intention like that hyphen you may go with the dollar sign, you may go with the dollar sign, you may go with flower bracket, within the flower bracket this one everybody know, right? This is the variable substitution. There you need to specify terraform dot workspace. Now quickly observe what happening here. Now just close this and save it and try to Terraform apply. Now simply creating a resource. There yes I am giving. After yes, you will go and check it. You will go and check it. What was the name it is available? Quickly I am going there. Quickly I am going there. There I'm going to show you AWS. Sign in. We are easy to going to Mumbai location. Mumbai. Mumbai. We are going to VPC. VPC. The VPC name is, quickly see what is the name. Test VPC. What it is there here? Just observe here. What is the name? Did I specify? No. In which space, in which workspace you are there, that workspace will display. Now some other people require, is the dev, right? Test VPC, test. Test VPC, test I require. Now what to do? Anyone tell me? Uday, quickly tell me what to do. First I need to see Terraform, Terraform, workspace, double to the workspace list. Which workspace is inactive? Dev. Now I want to create a new resource on the test. Terraform workspace, select. What is that? Test. Now again rerunning our application. Just if you rerun, it will create a new resource. It will create new resource once again. Here, observe quickly here. Observe quickly here. I may refresh it. What happens? I may get one more resource. One more resource. See, test VPC test. Test VPC test. What does it mean? Development people work on this area, this VPC. Testing people working on this VPC, this VPC. Is there any conflict? Tell me. These are the two individual resources. These are the two individual resources. See, if I want to destroy this, simply I am in test workspace, right? I am in test workspace. Simply I am going to here. I am going to Terraform destroy. Terraform, yes, we are. Only test related is destroy. Dev will not affect. Dev will not affect. Yes, I am. In the same way, I want to affect dev. What I need to do? Terraform workspace. Workspace. Select dev first. I need to go to dev. I need to go to dev. Within the dev, I need to apply Terraform. Next. Terraform. Yes. In the same way, I may move to default. There also I will go and apply. I will go and apply. Now, how can I move to default? Terraform, Terraform workspace, select the defaults. Default. There I think code is not there. Maybe I may go for Terraform destroy. If it is there, it will destroy. Now want to destroy. Yes. Now you need to apply properly. Uday, is it clear for you? Till now user which one? Only Terraform, TRR Terraform, workspace. Just we know new, we know list, we know show, we know selector. We need to apply delete. Delete. First, we need to see the list. Terraform workspace list. There we will try to delete one by one. Terraform workspace. There we need to delete. I don't want dev. Even I don't want PROD. Even I don't want STAGAL. Sometimes it may tell I may delete only one by one. STAGAL is staging. See, it is clearly stating I may delete one by one. I may not delete everything. DELET. Delete it. And also, which one I want to delete? Test I want to delete. Which one I want to delete? I want to delete stage. Stage. Now, in the same way, I want to delete productionals. I want to forget productionals. Tomorrow we'll see Terraform, Terraform debugging, Terraform debugging. Tomorrow I may conclude. Tomorrow I may explain two things. Two things. One is the Terraform debugging and also dynamic. You know, we created security groups, right? Dynamically, I can apply security. Generally, security group at a time, how many ports are we opening by using ingress or egress? Anyone tell me? By using ingress at a time, I'm opening how many ports? Only one port. Only one port. If I want to open multiple ports, we go for dynamic, dynamic, dynamic provision. Dynamically, if you want. Three concepts are there. Three concepts. One is how to use dynamic. How to use dynamic. Second one is I may go with Terraform. Terraform import concept. This is also very wonderful concept. Terraform import, not state import. Only Terraform import. Terraform import. One more thing. What I said. Terraform. Terraform debugging. Terraform debug. These three concepts. Tomorrow I will try to complete from Monday onwards. From Monday. Uh, I think tomorrow which day? I think Friday. Tomorrow, today is Friday, right? Tomorrow's
Saturday, sir.
okay. Sunday holiday. We won't take class. Monday, Karthik. Monday, I may have from 2 to 8 CA class. At least we may take either 11 to 12 or at least at maybe 12 to 1. These are the two timings I am giving for you. You may choose any one time. In that time only, we may take class new concept, and enter into Ansible. Ansible. Ansible, I may take only 6 classes. That is 1 week time only. Within 6 classes, I need to complete. Within 6 classes, I want to finish total Ansible. If needed, I may extend. Maybe 4, maybe 6 to 10 assume. Maximum 10, minimum 6 classes. That is sufficient to learn Ansible. After that, I may enter into which one? That is the Kubernetes. Okay. For this batch, Kubernetes also I may take. Even if Markondas are taking also, no problem. He will take. I may take additional. Additional means special concepts. Okay. Now try to tell me. Maybe Monday, which is the better time? Monday either 11 to 12 or maybe 12 to 1. That is your wish. Between these two,
11.
11 to 12. That is the best, right? Okay. Monday, we are starting 11 to 12. Thank you. Okay, Kar. Here, any doubt is there? Try to ask me. If no doubt, we will end the session.